Good morning, children. Welcome back to ICAN Physics. Now, in this class, we are going to see 8.2 from 8th lesson. Let's enjoy the class. Okay, a parallel plate capacitor made of a circular plate, each of radius 6 centimeter. So, radius equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. Convert the centimeter into meter. So 6 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Has a capacitance of 100 picofarad. So 100 picofarad. Now convert the picofarad into farad. So see, equal to 100 into 10 to the power minus 12 farad. For instead of minus 12, when we cut to 0, so it becomes minus 10 farad. The capacitor is connected to 230 volt. Okay, to 230 volt. AC supply. So here what is the word? AC supply. Then it can be taken as ERMS with a angular frequency of 300 radian per second. Then omega equal to 300 radian per second. Calculate the IRMS value. Okay. So from 7th lesson, we know that formula. Or even the 3rd lesson, current electricity, we know that. Or we can combine the both. Okay. How we can combine? So vegetarian software IR, V equal to IR for DC current from 3rd lesson. For 7th lesson or for 8th lesson, how we can modify? So V becomes ERMS equal to I becomes IRMS. Now, R is the resistance. But what is the word given? Capacitance. So, R is the resistance given by the resistor. But what is the resistance given by the capacitor? That is, capacitive reactance is the resistance given by the capacitor. So, now we have to calculate the value of XC. So, XC equal to 1 by omega C. So, 1 by omega. So, what is the value of omega? 300. So, 300 into C. So, what is the value of C? 10 to the power minus 10. So, 10 to the power minus 10. So, now we can cancel 2 0. So, it becomes 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 is the value of XC. Okay. Now, we can calculate the value of IRMS. Okay. So, what is the value of ERMS? ERMS is 230. So, ERMS equal to IRMS into XC. So, ERMS, what is the value of ERMS? 230. 230 equal to IRMS, that only we are going to calculate. XC, so 1 by 3 into 10 to the power minus 8. Now, the division value comes with this as multiplication value. So, 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 into 230 equal to IRMS. So, when we multiply and simplify, then IRMS equal to 6.9 microampere. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you have any doubts? No doubts. Now, we can go to the second question. Is conduction current equal to displacement current? Okay. So, in the previous question, 8.1 itself we studied. The sum of current entering equal to sum of current leaving. So, the sum of conduction current or the conduction current is the entering current. Then ID, that is the displacement current, is the current which is leaving. So, conduction current and displacement current are equal. Okay. Determine the amplitude of magnetic field. Okay. At a point 3 centimeter. So, once again the distance is given. So, already the radius is taken as capital R. So, now I want to take the distance as small r. Okay. So, how we can calculate the amplitude of the magnetic field of the circular coil? So, B equal to mu naught R divided by 2 pi R square into square root of 2 into IRMS. Okay. So, now what is the value of mu naught? So, mu naught value is 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. Now what is the value of R? R value is 3 centimeter. So convert the centimeter into meter. So 3 into 10 to the power minus 2. Now what is the value of root 2? 1.414 into IRMS. Now only we calculated 6.9 microampere. So 6.9 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 2 into pi 3.14 into R square. What is the value of R square? 6 centimeter. So 6 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 6 into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay. So when we multiply and divide, then finally we can get 1.63 into 10 to the power minus 11. So what we calculated? Magnetic field. The unit of magnetic field is Tesla. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you any doubts? No doubts.